welcome back. Have you noticed something? Look at my hair. I finally achieved the goal. Look at my hair. It's completely changed and this is something huge. If you compare my old hair with this hair, you can see big difference. And it's not easy to make my hair this smooth. It was like I'm taking care of my hair, but my hair just don't care. It was so dry that nothing was working out, so I reset everything. I stopped doing the old style routine and changed everything, the products, routine, everything. And then I started using only one powerful ingredient infused products long time ago, which helped me so much. And I know you're getting curious about the product, so I won't keep a secret. The product that saved my hair is the one and only Hyaluron Moisture range by L'OréalParis. I started my journey with this range long time ago. My hair needed something that hydrates and moisturizes because it was so dry. So I started using this range which is infused with hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is something primarily known for its hydrating and moisturizing properties. Thanks to its ability to keep our skin hydrated and moisturized. And it does same for the hair. It can help treat dry ends by plumping up your hair follicles, and it hydrates, moisturizes scalp, hair and reduce frizziness. It absorbs its weight in water which adds moisture to hair follicles and makes the hair soft, smooth, bouncy and shiny. It is so powerful that other ingredients can't compare because it naturally presents in our body. So there's no doubt why this ingredient working out for my super dry hair. Hooked on Hyaluron, this Hyaluron Moisture range is your essential upgrade for the hydrated hair infused with hyaluronic acid. And the L'OréalParis Hyaluron Moisture range comes with 3 essential products: 72 hours moisture filling shampoo, 72 hours moisture sealing conditioner and hydra filling night cream. And all products are infused with super ingredient hyaluronic acid. This super ingredient coats hair fiber, sealing cuticles to quickly improve hair health, and it works not only on dry hair but it works well for all hair types. And this super ingredient plump ups dry, dehydrated hair and adds life to purge strands and add that unbeatable shine to hair. First, you need to wash your hair with the moisture filling shampoo. The shampoo replumps your hair with the long lasting hydration and makes the hair lightweight and bouncy. Then use the 72 hours moisture sealing conditioner. This conditioner helps detangles your hair and locks in the moisture, making your hair soft and shiny while avoiding any breakages. And before going to bed at the night, use hydra filling night cream. This hero product is leave-in overnight hair cream. You have to apply it on your dry hair lengths. It provides 4 times more hydration and softness to your hair. It seals cuticles overnight and does not weigh your hair down. It provides 72 hours, 3 days of moisture locked in your hair. And the best part is that you don't need to wash your hair until your next hair wash cycle. So here's the before and after. Look how my hair looks so different now. It feels lightweight and looks bouncy and super shiny. I just realized that all your hair needs is just moisturization and hydration. And that's the only way you can achieve your hair goals and can fulfill only one ingredient, hyaluronic acid. And this range is the only best option to get that all the benefits of hyaluronic acid. And for that gorgeous hair that catches everyone's attention, try out this range, and purchase links I will leave in description box below, so check out there. I hope this video will help you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.